Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another video about immunology. And here is a question: which of the following is technically considered inside our body? Variant A, a sandwich you just ate moving through your GI tract. B, urine flowing from your kidneys to your bladder. C, the air that fills your lungs after a deep breath. And variant D, E. coli that has moved from the intestinal lumen into surrounding blood vessel. So the question is simple, but it's not easy to choose the correct answer because some variants very obvious. For example, sandwich that is inside our body, inside gastrointestinal tract, for sure have to be inside of our body. But let me show you a couple slides so you would understand better what we in immunology understand as inside of our body and outside of our body. Take a look at this picture. Think about it: when your car enters a tunnel, are you really inside the mountain or not? Cars pass through without contacting the dirt and rocks that make up the mountain. The concrete walls are a barrier. So commensal microbes in your gut likewise shouldn't enter surrounding tissues. We have physical barriers too. So again, think commensal microbes become pathogenic if they break through and enter our bodies. Only then we consider ourselves infected. Now, if you take a look at this picture, now we talk about physical barriers in regards of the human body. So here in two colors, blue and red, shown boundaries that separate what is inside versus outside. For example, air in our lungs is outside our body. Those many would perceive that air would be inside our body. And for example, urine in your bladder is also outside your body. And another example would be microbes in your intestines, also outside your body. So again, let's take a look at this picture. So seniors, trachea, lungs, what we call respiratory tract, air that comes inside would be considered to be outside our bodies. We see here kidneys, bladder, vagina. This is what compose urogenital tract, also would be considered outside our body. For example, urine that inside here, and also oral cavity and stomach, intestine, what we call gastrointestinal tract. Also everything that enters here, and if it doesn't cross this barrier, would be considered outside our body. So anything that enters through our mouth and exit basically would be considered that it doesn't enter our body. So this is a very important conceptual idea to understand what is an infection. Infection when microbiota that is probably normally present in our intestines cross these barriers, or any other pathogenic bacteria, or even not pathogenic bacteria, but when any bacteria cross these barriers, we say that this is infection. Now we can return to our question and choose the correct answer. So here is the question again: which of the following is technically considered inside of your body? Variant A, a sandwich you just ate moving through your GI tract. Now you know that from the point of view of immunology would be considered outside your body. Variant B, urine flowing from your kidneys to your bladder, also would be considered to be outside of a body. And C, the air that fills your lungs after a deep breath, also would be considered outside of the body. And variant D, E. coli that has moved from the intestinal lumen into the surrounding blood vessel, would be considered inside of the body because it crosses a barrier and is not longer anymore at the place where it should be. And all the bacteria should be outside of our body. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.